Hi, and welcome to Deciphering the Zodiac. If your sun, moon, rising, or Venus is in Pisces, this message is for you. Here, we explore the energies, guidance, and opportunities for the week so you can step into alignment with your highest potential. Before we dive in, take a moment to like and subscribe so you don't miss your weekly personalized readings. Let's connect with this week's gentle and inspired energy together. Pisces, this week is all about intuition, emotional awareness, and inspired action. Your natural empathy, sensitivity, and spiritual insight are highlighted, and the conjunctions forming this week give extra support to align your inner guidance with meaningful external action. Let's dive into this week's forecast for Pisces and see how the planets are supporting you. Crystal Ball Core Energy Theme: Inner clarity, emotional integration, and inspired alignment. This week, Sun conjunct Venus in Capricorn emphasizes aligning your values with practical steps and responsibilities. For Pisces, this is a chance to bring structure to your dreams and inspirations, turning intuitive insight into tangible progress. Uranus in Taurus adds subtle flashes of inspiration. Small, unexpected ideas or realizations may enhance your routines, resources, or personal strategies. This energy encourages you to trust your intuition while integrating practical action. Full moon in Cancer, emotional and spiritual awareness. The full moon in Cancer on January 3rd illuminates your emotional and inner world. For Pisces, this is a week to honor your feelings, reflect on what nurtures your emotional well-being, and release what no longer serves you. This full moon supports integration and healing, whether through meditation, journaling, or heartfelt connection. You're encouraged to balance your sensitivity with practical steps to move forward confidently and aligned with your inner guidance. Brain mindset and communication flow. Your intuition is heightened and reliable this week. Conjunctions help you focus on meaningful insights and communication, especially in relationships or personal goals. Uranus may spark sudden clarity or inventive solutions, perhaps a fresh approach to emotional, creative, or spiritual matters. Pisces, trust your intuition, listen deeply, and take inspired action with gentle confidence. Action and momentum. This week favors intentional, inspired steps. Sun-Venus energy encourages acting in alignment with your values and heart-centered goals. Uranus's influence may present subtle, innovative opportunities, small shifts that help you enhance routines, improve emotional flow, or realize creative potential. Take action with faith in your intuition and trust in your inner guidance. Expansion and spiritual alignment. This week is about harmonizing intuition with practical action. You're supported in noticing inspired opportunities, trusting your instincts, and moving forward with compassion and clarity. This is an ideal week to combine emotional insight with tangible steps, allowing your creativity, empathy, and spiritual awareness to guide meaningful progress. Integration practices for Pisces. Mindset integration. I honor my intuition while taking inspired action. Embodied action. Take one intentional, gentle step that aligns with your intuition or emotional needs. Energetic practice. Place a hand on your heart and one on your stomach. Take 3 steady breaths, grounding emotional energy while opening to inspired guidance. Full moon reflection. Reflect on what nurtures your emotional and spiritual well-being. Journaling, meditation, or quiet reflection can help integrate insights from the full moon. Affirmations. Speak slowly. I trust my intuition and take inspired action. I align my steps with my heart and highest good. I integrate insight and clarity into my daily life. I honor my emotional and spiritual guidance while moving forward. Pisces, or if your sun, moon, rising, or Venus is in Pisces, this week supports you in connecting deeply with your intuition, emotions, and inner guidance. Your natural empathy, creativity, and spiritual awareness allow you to navigate this week with clarity, insight, and inspired momentum. Step into this week's reflective and empowering energy, and let it support emotional balance, personal growth, and meaningful action. Which of these energies this week resonated most with you? Share your experience in the comments. Your reflections may inspire others in our community. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you continue receiving your weekly personalized readings. Stay inspired, stay intuitive, and I'll see you next time.